Hello students, peace be upon all of you. As you can see in the title of the video, in this video we are going to cover how to find the area of a trapezoid. The area and perimeter of a trapezoid. The area and perimeter of a trapezoid. Okay? How does a trapezoid look like? A trapezoid is a quadrilateral. What does a quadrilateral mean? Quadrilateral means four-sided shape. A shape with four sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? And the thing about a trapezoid is that it has two bases. It has what? It has two bases. It has this base and this base. Two base sides. One of the bases is shorter than the other. One of the bases is shorter than the other, causing this shape to look like this when you try to connect them. Alright? So, this is what? A trapezoid, four sides. It's a quadrilateral. A quadrilateral is any shape that has four sides. Has two bases. Alright? Now, how do we find the area of this? So this is a trapezoid. Trapezoid. How do we find the area of a trapezoid? Alright, now let me tell you how you find the area of a trapezoid. All you have to do, so area, remember what is area? Area is the space inside the shape. The space inside the shape. So when you have a trapezoid looking shape, this is how you find the space inside the what? The shape. And what's the perimeter? The perimeter is the distance around the shape. So the distance around the trapezoid. Okay? Let me redraw the trapezoid here. Alright? So area equals what? Well, we have a base. We have two bases. So this is base 1 and this is base 2, and then we have the height of the shape. The height of the what? The shape. The height. Alright? Now, the area is equal to base 1 plus base 2. Take that. After you add the two bases, you multiply that by the height. And then you divide by what? By 2. That's all you have to do. That is all you have to do. It's just like a triangle. Remember a triangle? And we said how to find the area of a triangle. You take the base times the height and then you divide it by 2. In this case it's different. We have two bases. We take the first base and it's a different shape too, right? Because we have two bases, it's a different shape. So we take the two bases, we add them together, we multiply that by the height, and we divide by 2. Base 1 plus base 2. After we add them, we get that number, we get that sum, or that quantity. We multiply that by the height. After we multiply by the height, we divide by 2. 3 steps. Add the bases, multiply by the height, divide by 2. Add the bases, multiply by the height, divide by 2. The perimeter, of course, it's easy. It has 4 sides, so just add all the 4 sides. Add all 4 sides. Add all the 4 sides to get what? To get your perimeter, to get the distance around the shape. The perimeter is always the easiest. All you have to do is just add the sides to get the distance around your shape. Now that we learned how to do this, let's take it into action. So we have a trapezoid. We have a trapezoid, there you go. There you go. Here. So the trapezoid looks a little bit off. Let me fix the drawing here. There you go. So the trapezoid we have here has 3 meters, 6 meters. No, that's too off. Let's say this is 4. 4 meters and 6 meters. And then it has a height here of, let's say that's 2 meters. And this is 3. Okay, let's find the area. How do we find the area? Area, take the two bases, add them. Let's add the two bases. So 4m plus 6m. Then multiply it by the height. Height, what's the height here? So this is base 1 and base 2. We add them. We add the two bases. Multiply by the height. What's the height? 2 meters. Okay? Then what do we do after that? We divide that by 2. 4 plus 6 is what? Is 10. 10 times 2 is 20. So we get 20 meters what? Meters squared. Because we're multiplying the meters times the meter. Over 2. So 20 divided by 2 is what? It's 10. So 10 meters squared. That's the what? That's the area of the trapezoid. How do you find the perimeter of the trapezoid? We have 4 sides, we add them. The 6 plus the 3. So 6m plus 3m plus 4m plus 3m. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. 16 meters. So perimeter is 16 meters and area is 10 meters squared. Remember, we square the area because the units are being multiplied. The units are being what? Multiplied. So if it was feet, every time you find the area of any shape, you always have to square the units. If it's feet, you say feet squared. If it's centimeters, you say centimeters squared. If it's yards, you say yards squared. Alright? So we always have to square the area because it's being multiplied twice. So being multiplied by itself. Alright? So m times m is m squared. This is how you find the area of what? Of a trapezoid, and how you find the perimeter of a trapezoid. Area of a trapezoid, you what? You add the two bases, you multiply it by the height, and then you divide by 2. Perimeter, you add all the sides, just like we do with all the other geometric two-dimensional shapes. I hope you guys found this helpful. If anything is confusing or unclear, go back to that bar that was confusing or unclear. Or replay the video if you have to. Thank you for watching and hope you enjoyed this. We'll see you next video.